Today is day 100! Yay! I am here spending the day with some amazing people. We are getting ready to do a mother and daughter shoot, confidence session with Emma and her daughter Beck. And it's just the most amazing way to spend day 100. So you're invited to join us. We're at the gorgeous Au Pair guest house in Newlands, one of my favorite places to shoot. And here we have Bea doing her thing. And there's Beck getting her face on. Yay!
Look at you going full speed ahead.
Yeah. And there's Emma, looking fabulous. So let's take a look at the thought of the day. Reboot, kick-ass, repeat. So I had every intention of filming so much more from this morning's shoot, the mother and daughter shoot that I was busy with at the lovely Au Pair guest house in Newlands. But as it happens with shoots, you get busy behind the other camera, so there's no time to do any filming. I got a call that came through there, so I had to cut that short. So just about to do another shoot in Arden Gardens here in Claremont. It's a personal branding shoot. Ah, shit. And they've just taken her parking. Damn it. Okay, so as I was saying, starting next shoot now here in Arden Gardens, this lovely green setting, doing a personal branding shoot. And whoop whoop, today is day 100. Whoop whoop, yay. I am so thrilled to get to day 100 of 365. I think there was a part of me that didn't think that I would make it this far. That just goes to show you put your mind to something and you just keep at it one day at a time. You get there. So only 265 videos to go. Yay! And if you are watching this today on day 100, I am running a special throughout all photo shoots and all my courses. So go onto my Facebook page, onto my Instagram page, and go check out the links to the discounts that you can get for one day only. So back to today's thought on confidence. Reboot, kick ass, repeat. Because sometimes you have a shit day, sometimes you have an off day. This shoot that I'm doing now, we were meant to be doing it in Newlands Forest, but the clouds have decided to weigh in and just look at what they are doing. It's not looking so sunny up there, so we couldn't go and shoot there. So now we're rebooting and we are doing our shoot here in Arden Gardens where we can still get some sunlight. And that's the fact of the matter, is that business, life, everything doesn't always go smoothly. Sometimes you just have to reboot, try again tomorrow, and keep doing that on and over and over and over again. So reboot, kick ass, repeat. Don't stop. Don't stop rebooting. Don't stop kicking ass. Don't stop repeating. And just get into the flow of keeping at it. That's the momentum. Don't let the bad days get you down. Yeah, so feeling very excited. I hope to get some behind the scenes video of today's shoot. There's all the stuff we need to get set up. It's going to be a pretty one. The wind is a bit blowy, and as soon as I'm done here, I've got to go home and pack for our overseas trip tomorrow. Woo! So feeling very good today. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope you're feeling confident. So please celebrate with me. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button, and share it with a friend. Maybe there's a woman you know who could do with a daily boost of confidence, and I'd love to be the one to help her get that injection of confidence. So until tomorrow, probably be filming from the airport, I imagine. Have yourself a fantastic day.